Good morning. A yoga pill for every ill. Therapeutic hatha yoga. Conscious healing through conscious breathing and posture. Today we're going to talk about tight angles. Really, it's the Achilles tendon, it's the calf, and it's the plantar fascia, the sole of the foot. Really, you got doors, you got walls everywhere. Practice pushing back on your edges. Just an easy one would be, place your hands, it could be a door. I'm taking the right foot forward, and then I'm just bending the right knee. Wow! Right away, this whole back line to my ankle is engaged. Inhale, lift the left heel up. And exhale, lower the left heel down. Push against the wall. Inhale, back up, lift the left heel up high, work through the exhale, lower down, push. Now with the breath, inhale, expand the heart. Exhale, bend the front knee. And inhale and lift. And exhale, straighten the back leg. Oh. Once you feel this really good, you can exhale and pull the navel in. Navel pulls in, sacrum roots down, back of the leg gets long. And then for maximum sort of thing, you could practice pushing against the wall, and the door jam, and lifting the front foot up. Good enough. And changing sides. Right foot back, left foot forward. Ooh, wow. Right off the bat, you feel that. Inhale, lift the heel up. And exhale. Oh, wow. Inhale, lift. And exhale, back. Push against the wall. Inhale, lift, back away. And exhale, drive it in. One more time. Inhale, lift, up, up, up. Get all the toes on the foot engaged. Exhale, stretch the calf back. Stretch the heels. Push your edges back. Oh, that's good. Oh, and of course you can do both legs. Lift the heels. Oh. And of course, the lower you take your hands down, the harder it is. Wow, and see now that's maximum stretch on my calves. Pretty good. That ought to do it for most of us. Oh, you want more? Well, we could do more, and maybe not against the wall this time. We could bring this down into, into the mat. Oh yeah, gently down, not using tension in the neck. Stepping the right foot forward, bending the left knee, keeping no tension in the neck, head neutral, and exhale. That's good. Coming up onto the hands and knees. Hands and knees. Hands under your shoulders, knees under the hips. And curl the toes underneath, exhale. Oh, so pedaling the bike, this is good too. Not as effective as pushing against the wall. This is a little harder on us. Oh yeah. So we're just pedaling back and forth. And then holding the right heel down, lifting the left heel up. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Changing sides. That's really good. And dropping down to the knees. And relaxing the back. Sitting back towards the heels. Inhale up onto the hands and knees. Curl the toes underneath. Exhale, hips back. Inhale the right leg up. And step the right foot forward. Okay, you can lower the knee. Bring both hands to either side of the right foot. I like this. And then straighten the back left leg. Push the heel back, straighten the left knee. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah, 5. Step the right leg back, step the left leg forward. Okay, you bring the leg around. Mm, mm, mm. I don't know. That's enough for today, isn't it? Just stand against the wall. Right? Stand against the wall. Push. Push. Shoulders, arm width. Look, I can do it with one hand. It's like perfect. One hand. Oh, my right heel. Lift it up, stretch it down. This is imperative for plantar fascia, heel spurs, peripheral neuropathy. Those all work. Have a great day. Be well. Evolve love.